Pause before your next purchase. Are you truly seeing the full price? Opportunity cost is the hidden price tag behind every financial decision you make. It's not just about the dollars leaving your account. It's about what you're giving up in exchange. When you spend $400 on a new phone, you're not just losing $400, you're sacrificing what that money could have grown into if invested or used elsewhere. Imagine putting that $400 into a high-yield savings account or stocks instead. Over years, that single decision could be worth thousands. But it's not just about money. Time spent researching, maintaining, or even paying off that purchase is time lost from other pursuits, learning, building skills, or simply enjoying life. Wealthy people excel at seeing this invisible cost. With every swipe, they ask, "What am I giving up tomorrow for this pleasure today?" That one question rewires spending habits, prioritizes investments, and builds lasting wealth. Next time you reach for your wallet, remember, every choice costs more than the price tag suggests.